Hello and welcome back to the accounting module. In our previous lesson, we reviewed the tax report and closing period. In this lesson, we will review the accounting feature of automatic transfers. Let's say our company is required to perform various year-end financial tasks, such as closing out income and expense accounts, transferring profits to retained earnings, and distributing dividends to shareholders. These tasks typically involve several manual steps and calculations. However, with Odoo accounting, these processes can be automated and save time during the year-end closing. The automatic transfer feature in Odoo accounting automates the transfer of funds between accounts. This functionality simplifies the process of moving balance between accounts, saving time and effort. Let's see this functionality in action. To start, let's navigate to Accounting, Transfers, where we can transfer the balance from the 999999 Undistributed Profit and Loss account to the retained earnings account at the year end. Let's create a new automatic transfer by clicking on New and entering the relevant details. Let's add Year-End Transfer as the title. Under the period, let's set the start date of the automation to 31/12/2025 and leave the end period blank, indicating this automation will run forever. Under the journal, let's keep the journal as the current listing of miscellaneous operations. Let's set the frequency to yearly. If required, the frequency could be set to monthly or quarterly instead. Let's add a line to specify the origin accounts. Clicking Add a Line will display a pop-out window with a list view of all accounts in our accounting system. Let's start typing UND in the search bar and specify accounts to find, and then select our Undistributed Profit and Loss account. Next, let's add a line to specify the destination of the automated transfer as retained earnings. We can also add Partner Filter and/or Analytic Filter, where we want to move the balance specifically against a partner or a project. We will learn more about analytic accounts and projects in our next lesson. Let's save this automation by clicking the Save icon like so, and then clicking on Activate to enable the automation. Now, the system will automatically post the balance figure from Undistributed Profit and Loss account to Retained Earnings account at every year end. Looking to the far right, we see that this automatic transfer has the status of running. Clicking the Disable button will disable the transfer. The Compute Transfer button allows us to manually compute the entries that meet the criteria, but we can ignore this for the time being because Odoo will also run an automatic scheduler once a day to check which transfers meet the criteria. This feature is beneficial in several use cases, such as in the case of regular payments. If we have recurring payments or expenses like rent or loan installments, the transfers can be automated to ensure timely payments without manual intervention. This feature can also be beneficial with cash management. In a retail business with multiple cash registers, automatic transfers can be set up to consolidate cash from individual registers into a central cash account at the end of each month. This feature can also be beneficial with savings and investments. If a fixed amount of money is allocated to savings or investment accounts regularly, automated transfers from a primary account to those accounts can be scheduled. That's it for this lesson. We've successfully reviewed how to set up automated transfers in Odoo accounting and reviewed several scenarios where this functionality may be helpful. Why don't you head to the next lesson, where we will explore the specialist functionality of Odoo accounting such as budgets, deferrals, assets, and analytics. Thanks for watching, and until next time.